On average, 700 young people are directly affected by gun violence every year in Denver. And Denver Public Health put out a report on how gun violence affects youth in Denver.
Yeah, our Sonia Gutierrez has been breaking down the numbers all day for us. Thank you for doing that.
Yeah, absolutely. So guys, according to the report, on average, every year in Denver, 13 young people die because of gun violence. 69 are hospitalized, and there are 616 victims of gun-related crimes. That's the average. Here are the specifics. From 2012 to 2017, 6 years' time, 74 young people died because of gun violence. 27 of them were suicides, 47 homicides. For every one of those who were killed, 7 more were injured bad enough to require medical attention. A Denver Public Health report says that young people account for nearly half of the total gun-related emergency department visits. Nearly half. Although there were more Hispanic youth killed by guns in Denver from 2012 to 2017, Denver's Black communities were disproportionately the victims of more gun-related crimes. Now take a look at this map. The report lays out concentrated parts of the city that have bigger disadvantages when it comes to housing, education, and income. Those same places are more likely to experience and be victims of violence. So the authors of the report want to stress why these communities in particular are seeing more violence. Maritza Valenzuela, Youth Health Manager for Denver Public Health, says it's about the inequalities, and they think that once the inequalities are addressed, you might see less violence.
So bringing together the partners that work on gang violence, but also suicide prevention, domestic violence, intimate partner violence, relationship violence, all of these things are related. And instead of working separately, all of this should be working together.
So by working together, she hopes that city leaders will kind of get behind this research, look at this research, and something will come from it.
I would think those numbers would help bring people together because they're alarming.
They really are.
Yeah.
They really are. And even if you're not in those, if you haven't been touched directly by these numbers, it's staggering and so sad to think that it's young people who are being affected by these guns.
It requires people to take ownership for their own cities. So, all right. Thank you, Sonia.
Yeah.